welcome to my channel. Skypilot here. I have the BetaFPV 95X. Recently updated it with the Nano RX, the new BetaFPV little itty bitty micro receiver. This is the flat antenna one. Only meant to get around 700-800 meters distance with the radio with that receiver. However, I've recently pushed that over a kilometer. What I thought I'd do is pack the 654S on the roof and see if I can go a little bit further and see exactly how far this receiver will go. I'm only doing this because I've installed the GPS unit there and set up my fail-safe protocols. BetaFPV antenna mod on the back. I'll have the VTX boosted to the max, so hopefully I think I'll certainly outfly my VTX before I outfly this new receiver. Plenty of links below if you're wondering about the receiver that I'm talking about. It's a great little tiny little unit. Of course you don't need any antennas. It's got a built-in flat antenna module on it, and I've flown this a few times, and that, let me tell you, it works an absolute treat. I do have the 1 watt TX module on the rear here, the Moxon antenna. That is boosted to 1 watt as well, so that will certainly help with my range testing. So my biggest issue is going to be the wind, so I think I shall take it down near the road down there. Bit of a headwind, so coming home should be nice and easy, and we're just going to see how far we can get to that kilometre mark. Hopefully the battery's not too heavy. Okay, drop us a comment, love to hear from you. Smashing that thumbs up if everything's recording. Let's take her off, see how far we can get out. I haven't flown with this power supply before, guys, so I'm not too sure how we're going to go. You can see the lean, that's a bit of jello there. You can see the lean I've got to carry because of the wind. Yeah, these whoops, I'm afraid, don't really like the wind too much. See how far down we can go before we get some telemetry issues. 140 meters from home. 400 milliwatts of power. Sorry, 350 milliwatts of power to our VTX. LQ4 at 100. Fly fairly close to the tree line here in case I do a bomb out. Like I said, I have flown a kilometre with this receiver before, and for the size of the receiver, I think you'll agree, I'll stick it up on the screen. Yeah, it performs really well. And we're going for altitude. Goes a bit haywire there because it dips down into the gully. 500 metres. 600 meters. VTX is giving me a little bit of trouble. 600 meters, guys. 700. This could end. This could end a disaster. Power supply. She's dropping. I don't really want to punch it too hard. I'm trying to conserve my power supply. Let's get up in the air a bit more, get some more VTX signal going. 800 meters. Look at that, guys. I'm going to crack 1,000 kilometre quite easily. I just hope I can get home again. Past the driveway. Second driveway, there we go, guys. 1.1 k's, and a couple of telemetry issues there. 1 kilometre, folks, and I'm low on power. I knew that would happen. That's the trouble with the 95X. You try and do long range, not a good idea. Still, I think you'll agree, nice VTX, 1 kilometre, no fail-safe issues. I'm getting some warnings there because of my power supply. I love to push it further, but I don't really feel like going for a hunt today. So let's just get it home before we run out of power. Now look, the quads that you would use this little receiver in are going to be your smaller whoop type, type, you know, your smaller units that aren't going to, you know, require you to travel great distances anyway. It's telling me to land, so I suppose I better do what it says. The old LiPo power supply issues, eh?